Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to use DSers with TikTok Shop. Let's begin. First, go to dsers.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be asked to select a platform to continue. Scroll down until you find TikTok. If you're in the US, select TikTok US. If you're in another supported country, choose the appropriate TikTok option. Now, click on the Install button to connect TikTok Shop with your DSers account. At this stage, to bind your TikTok Shop store, you need to have a premium plan on DSers. Without the upgrade, you won't be able to proceed with the connection. Once your plan is upgraded, continue by logging into your TikTok Shop account. DSers will link the two accounts, allowing you to manage your TikTok Shop orders directly from the DSers dashboard. This integration helps streamline your order processing and product management. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.